This is Joe from VOChicago.com. I'm headed to a fun location close to Wells Street's pedestrian-friendly strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops for a walk through one of the apartments at the fabulous new Old Town Park 2. I'm standing on the wide balcony of apartment 1213, convertible studio with a sleeping alcove, looking out to where the great dining and nightlife scenes along Wells Street and Division, just a short half block north of here. Let's head inside for a look around. Stepped inside, looking at high ceilings, wide plank, blonde stained flooring that extends throughout the apartment. There's a sleek one-wall kitchen, cabinet front refrigerator, 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, cabinet front dishwasher, wide, deep farm-style undermount sink, quartz counters, ceramic backsplash, good cabinet and counter space. Heading toward the sleeping area, and turning back for a look toward the balcony again. Closets have custom organizers, expand the space. It's a full-size front-loading washer-dryer and an additional closet with organizers as you would have headed into the wide foyer. Bath has very upscale finishes. It's a wall-wide mirror with a medicine cabinet, wide shower with a frameless glass door, body spray attachment with a rain shower head, and marble veined white tile. It's a very appealing unit. Terrific location. Building with completely over-the-top amenities. Definitely want to have Old Town Park 2 on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.